We are in the midst of our kitchen remodel right now. We have select surfaces over, measuring for countertops. Jamie has been working his butt off, getting the floors laid, the cabinets installed, and we're so excited to show you guys a little update of what we've been up to. We scraped off the popcorn ceiling and put knockdown texture up on the ceiling. The floors are laid. We went with urban floors. We chose a light hardwood flooring. It's called Lambrusco. We're a little bit nervous about it. We've always done dark hardwood in our last homes, but you can always see every hair, and with kids that never works. So we went with the lighter option, which was awful. Which we were super excited about. And then the cabinetry Jamie chose.
Yeah, we wanted to get away from the white, so we went with the dark Click Studios cabinetry, and rather than doing a dark painted cabinet, we did a dark stained cabinet. That way the wood grain will show through.
So nothing like last minute. This morning we literally put a thing up on Instagram to ask our readers what countertop that they would choose for Cambria for. This is all part of their new marble collection. This is Britannica Warm, this is Highgate, this is Delgatti. We're doing this handmade Mercury Mosaics tile. And in the end, our readers told us to go with Delgatti, and this is what we're going with.
Morgan was leaning more towards Britannica, and I wanted the Delgatti.
Yeah, Delgatti.
Yeah.
And here we are. So come check out our dining room space. This is still under construction, as you guys can see. But now that the measurement's done, Jamie's gonna continue on doing the flooring in here. We got all the walls painted. We painted it Mindful Gray by HGTV Sherwin-Williams, and we're doing a shiplap wall over here in black. They're tricorn black color. And so it's a hot mess in here, and we can't wait to show you guys more about how we finished this space.
We're finally done with all the dirt, and I can't even wait till we're done.